Let's begin this question. It says calculate the energy required to excite 1 liter of hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere and 298 Kelvin to the first excited state of atomic hydrogen. The energy of dissociation of hydrogen bond is 436 kilojoule per mole. So let's write down the data that is given. It is given volume is equal to 1 liter, pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, temperature is 298 Kelvin, and energy of dissociation of hydrogen bond per mole is 436 kilojoule per mole. So to solve this question, we'll do it in 4 steps. So first step will be to calculate the number of moles of hydrogen using ideal gas law, that is PV is equal to nRT. See, PV, T and R, all these things are known to us. In the second step, we will multiply the number of moles of hydrogen with energy of dissociation. So let this number of moles be n. So in the next step, we'll calculate total energy of dissociation. That is equal to number of moles multiplied by 436 kilojoule. So this will give total energy required to dissociate hydrogen bond. In the third step, we will calculate energy of excitation. Calculate energy of excitation of hydrogen atom by using Rydberg formula, that is E is equal to RH bracket 1 upon initial energy level square of initial energy level minus square of final energy level. And in the fourth step, we will calculate number of moles of hydrogen atom. Then we will multiply and it will find total energy of excitation. So calculate, let's assume this number of moles of hydrogen atom be X. Then total energy of excitation will be this value, that is energy of excitation of one hydrogen atom, E dash multiplied by X. And in the last step, we'll find final energy, that is total energy required for dissociation plus total energy that is required for excitation. So this is a bit long solution, so I have to give the overall view how we are going to solve it. Now let's begin solving the question. So step number 1, is finding out number of moles of hydrogen. PV is equal to nRT. So let's find out number of moles of hydrogen. So it is PV by RT. 1 into 1 upon, here we'll take the value of R as 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin into 298. On solving this, we get the value 0.0409 moles. So this is the value of a small n. In step number 2, see, dissociation energy for 1 mole is given, and we'll find energy for dissociation of these many moles, that is 0.04409. So energy of dissociation for 1 mole is 436 kilojoule per mole. Therefore, total energy of dissociation for n moles, this will be equal to 436 multiplied by 0.0409. So this comes out to be 17.83 kilojoule. Okay, in the next step, that is step number 3, we can find energy required for this excitation. So energy E, or I can write E dash for excitation of hydrogen atom. That is one hydrogen atom. So E dash is equal to RH 1 upon initial energy level square upon then this final energy level square. So here the value of Rydberg constant is 2.18 into 10 raised to the power minus 18 joule. So initially it is at first energy level, and after excitation it is at second energy level. So on solving this, we get the value 16.35 into 10 raised to the power minus 18 joule. In the fourth step, we'll find out number of hydrogen atom. Step number 4, we'll find number of hydrogen atoms. Okay. So number of moles of hydrogen, we know, see, 1, or I can solve it this way. We are already having number of moles of hydrogen gas, that is 0.0409, and we'll get twice the number of hydrogen atoms. So these are number of hydrogen, moles of hydrogen. So this value will give you moles of hydrogen atoms. Then we multiply this value by Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. On multiplying this, now we get the number of hydrogen atoms. So this is Avogadro number. You can write down here number of atoms per mole. Atoms per mole. So mole and mole will get cancelled and we get the hydrogen atom. This comes out to be approximately, not the exact value, 4.9 into 10 raised to the power 22 atoms. Okay, we get this value, number of. Then we find total energy of excitation, total energy of excitation. For these many atoms, for one atom it is 16.35, this value for one atom, and we need to find out energy for these many atoms. So we do multiplication. So 16.35 into 10 raised power minus 18 multiplied by 4.9 into 10 raised to the power 22. So this energy of excitation comes out to be, this value is for per atom. Per atom. Okay. Now on multiplying these, we get 80.44 kilojoules. Now the final energy or the total energy will be energy required for dissociation plus energy E dash that is required for excitation, E dash, or I can write E excitation. So these two values we have already calculated. Energy of dissociation is 17.83 kilojoule, and energy of excitation is 80.44 kilojoule. Now adding both these, we get 98.27 kilojoules, and this is our answer. Thank you.